Close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Feel your body relaxing with each breath, grounding you in the present moment. Let's begin a journey towards a healthier and balanced self. Imagine strolling through a peaceful garden, feeling light with every footstep. Notice the vibrant flowers and feel the gentle breeze, symbolizing your mind's capacity for positive change. In the center of the garden, find a clear, calm pond. As you look into the water, see your reflection. Affirm to yourself, I am capable of transforming my body and mind. I respect and nourish my body, choosing health with every decision. Every day, I move closer to my ideal weight, handling stress with grace and awareness. Visualize your reflection evolving to embody your healthiest self. With each breath, your self-assurance and satisfaction grow stronger. As you continue your walk, you find yourself entering a tranquil forest. This forest represents your inner strength, a place where you can face and overcome the habit of stress eating. By a gently flowing stream, realize each drop of water represents a moment of choice, a chance to respond to stress with nurturing actions rather than eating. I choose behaviors that promote my physical and mental well-being. I am in control of my habits and choices, finding peace and strength within. See yourself in daily life, handling stress with positive actions like walking, deep breathing, or sipping water. Visualize these choices leading to a healthier, happier you. Now, begin to bring your awareness back, deepening your breath. Feel the energy in your fingers and toes, reconnecting with the physical world. When you're ready, open your eyes, refreshed and carrying with you the vision of your healthiest self. Your journey involves discovering equilibrium and selecting behaviors that help your general health